Hey guys, it's Elby. Today I want to do an unboxing of a purse that I ordered from Kate Spade online. I wanted to share with you what my expectations were with the purse. You guys can see me open it, my reaction, that sort of thing. But I ordered the Suzy large north-south tote, and I ordered it as a work bag. I thought it wouldn't be a huge work bag, but maybe kind of a reasonably sized one. I read the reviews on the Kate Spade website, couldn't find anything on YouTube about this particular bag, but I did research obviously some other tote bags and they look like they were good, but the north-south totes are the ones that are taller than they are wider. And so this one was 15 inches high and 12 inches wide in the dimensions. So I thought, well, it'll probably fit my laptop. I could put it in and it'll just barely fit in there, but it should work. And then one of the reviews on the Kate Spade website said that it fit the new 16-inch MacBook Pro. I have the 2018 15-inch MacBook Pro, so I thought, okay, yeah, that'll still work. So let's open this up, see what the measurements are, and see if it really works for my computer. So here it is in all its glory. Just gonna rip it open. Throw these back in the box. Here it is. One of the things that kind of attracted me to this particular bag was this cutout of the spade shape in the front. It's actually a hole. So I thought that was pretty cool. Of course, these are taped together. Paper. Getting patient here. Dust bag is included. Pretty color. A little tag in there I'll need to cut off. Wristlet that's included. And I'll cut these off with scissors when I'm done, just because I didn't think to grab scissors when I opened this. But the bag, this is the pebbled grain, the fine grain pebbled leather, so it's pretty much what I was expecting. It's very thin. It's got a suede inside. It's very soft. It has feet on the bottom, which I liked for a work bag. And this is how tall it is. So the truth will be told in just a moment here. But the inside wristlet looks pretty nice. What you'd expect. Stuffing out of that. It does have that same suede-y soft material on the inside. So looks pretty good. It clips in here. You can kind of see there's a small, I guess it's like it's a D-ring. So you can unclip and clip that, although I can't pull it out right now because it's attached in with the tag I need to cut, just one of those little plastic ties. And then the top of the bag just has one clasp closure. So pretty standard stuff for an open tote. The inside feels so good though, it feels really nice. But this is what I bought. I thought it would be a really cute work bag. And like some of the other totes, like the Molly tote, it doesn't actually say Kate Spade on the back. I know some totes do, but that was one thing that this one does not have. It's just this with a little keyhole. It looks super cute. No other pockets inside besides this pouch that it comes with. So let's see if the computer fits. This is my MacBook Pro. It's 15-inch. Like I said, it's in a plastic case, which doesn't change the dimensions too much. But when I measured it before I bought the bag, the computer was in what's going to be the long direction, 14 inches. And then the width now, this dimension, was less than 10 inches. So it looked like it would fit in this bag because the height is advertised as 15 inches and the width is 12 inches. So it looked like I should have plenty of space in here for the computer. So let's see. And as I feared, it's actually not the height that I expected, which is interesting. So this is not a 15-inch tall bag. If I measured my computer correctly, which I'm guessing I did, which was 14 inches. So it looks like 15 inches would come up the other way. So let's just turn it on its side and see if it fits that way. And It actually kind of does fit in this direction. You can see through the keyhole the top of my computer, but what's interesting, let me see if it's going all the way to the bottom. Oh, this is in the way. It actually does fit in that way. Okay, so this looks like it's going to be a success for us here. It fits in this way, which is amazing. And it looks like there's about, you know, maybe an 1.5 inches or so of clearance in this dimension, but this looks like it will work as my new work bag, so I'm actually pretty pumped about that. I've been looking at this, and when it came, it feels like it doesn't, like, the bottoms of the computer are here and here, so when it's at the bottom, it's not actually sitting on the bottom of the bag, so it's sitting kind of outside the width of the bag. I don't think that will bother me as long as I don't start getting like weird protrusion marks out of here, which I don't think I will, because the computer will obviously probably go in at different angles. So probably not the best fit, a pretty tight fit actually for this laptop, but it is doable, so that's good if I ever, you know, get back to work. And then of course I have this little pouch, which is pretty cute, so I'm excited about trying that and using that. Yeah, overall a success, but let's really quick just take some measurements on this, just to better understand what they intended with some of the ways that they measured it. So I grabbed just like a little, throw this in here. I guess I can take measurements on that too while I'm sitting here, but I just grabbed a tape measure. It's kind of marked up and messy. It's just an old tape measure I have, but I use it for everything because it's convenient and small. So that's the other end. So the little zip pouch that they have in there, if you're curious on the dimensions of that, and we're just going to estimate here, but it looks like it's about 7.5 in length, and the height is about 5 inches. So things that you want to fit in there. Again, it feels super nice on the inside, and it does have a little bit of, you know, expansion here if you need to fit something a little bit bigger in it. So we'll see how that works. The strap that it attaches with is a little bit thin, but it should work. So the bag. If I measure, let me set this here in front of you. If I measure the bottom of the bag, it looks like it's 12 inches from here to here, which it is advertised as the width being 12 inches. Yep, so that works. Then let's do the depth, which is advertised as 6. You can hear me because the bag's in the way. Let's see here. Yep, right around 6 inches. So that makes sense. But now the height being 15, that's one I'm not exactly sure where that comes from. If I hold this to the bottom of the bag, you can see 15 is well above. It actually looks like it's about 12 inches in height. And as you know, my computer stuck out the top, and then I could actually get it in with the way that the bag kind of is soft and folds. So it looks like this bag is actually only 12 inches height, which was a little surprising. I was like, are they including the handle? But if you do that, you'll get all the way up to almost 22, right in the center of the top is 22. So this is only a 12-inch height on this Suzy large north-south tote. So buyer beware. I got it on, they had a 50% off sale items, so I got it for a good price, but of course that also means that it was a final sale. So trusting the dimensions on the website did not do very well for me in this bag. It is obviously going to be usable since I could get my computer in there, but probably not the best way to continuously be putting my computer inside and out if it doesn't exactly fit on the bottom. The feet are here and here. They don't touch the bottom. So, pretty cute. That's the story on this. I think it'll work pretty well though for just taking my computer around at work, taking it back and forth whenever I get to go back. And that is all I had today. I just wanted to share that since I could not find anything else on there, specifically on this tote, another review, but just kind of understanding how the measurements work and that sort of thing, and if the computer really fit in this. So I can give you guys an update later to see how well it is actually working for my laptop, but that won't be for a while because I'm not planning to go to work for a while. So we shall see. But yeah, thanks for watching. Let me know if you guys have any questions.